Setting up an automated Windows install workflow with WPI configuration files. These define which applications get installed after Windows setup completes. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to work with Windows post-install wizard configuration files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for WPI problems. See below for my top choice. A configuration script used by the Windows post-install wizard, WPI. An application for automating the installation of multiple programs after a fresh Windows OS setup. Users create or download WPI files to define a list of software, silent install commands, and customizations for unattended installations. The file is typically a text-based script, often using HTML and JavaScript, to create a user interface for selecting applications. This design allows for easy customization by power users and system administrators, enabling them to build comprehensive automated deployment packages without needing complex programming skills. Windows post-install wizard developed by WPI community is often used as the source validator for WPI. Using a dedicated tool minimizes the security vulnerabilities associated with this format. Windows cannot interpret advanced config syntax, so the user must rely on documentation to edit safely. We're performing a compatibility scan. Right-click your WPI file and choose Open With. Test Windows post-install wizard first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often reveals the simplest solution. If your WPI file will not open yet, do not panic. The file is resisting, but it's not random. It's one of 3 predictable basic problems. Here's a quick checklist of these common culprits and their immediate solutions. First, loading in WPI. Launch Windows post-install wizard and use the config menu to load the WPI configuration. The application list appears with categories and selection checkboxes. Review the configured applications and adjust selections before clicking. Begin install to execute the automated installation sequence with progress monitoring and logging. Next, editing configuration. Open the WPI file in Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code to manually edit application entries. The JavaScript syntax defines each program with installer paths, command arguments, and metadata. Update installer paths, add new applications, or modify command line switches, then save the file for use in WPI deployments. Finally, using the config wizard. Launch WPI's configuration wizard from the main interface to add edit or remove applications through a graphical form. The wizard provides input fields for all configuration parameters, validating syntax and saving changes back to the WPI file. This approach prevents syntax errors common in manual JavaScript editing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.